Good morning students. Today I am starting chapter 4, direct and inverse variation. So this word variation, this made from the word vary. Vary means related to one word, one situation, another situation is related. It varies. You see two examples. Situation 1. Cost of 5 pence is rupees 50. If the cost of 5 pence is rupees 50, what will be cost of 10 pence? That will be 100. So in situation 1 you are looking that here if 1 is increasing, number of pence increasing, so cost is also increasing. Now you see the second situation. If the speed of a motorbike is 30 km per hour and if you have to travel 60 km, suppose you are going from here to Kharora 60 km and your speed of motorcycle is 30 km per hour, how much time you require? Definitely 2 hours if your speed is constant. Then now you think you have increased your speed just double 60 km per hour. You are driving with the speed 60 km per hour. What time required now? In how much time you will reach Kharora? So that will be just half because your speed increased double. So your time will be reduced. So you need only 1 hour. So you can see here, if here this speed is increasing, so your time is decreasing. But in situation 1, cost of pen is increasing. If number of pen is increasing, number of pens is increasing, so cost is also increasing. So by these two situations we can understand, in one first case, if one quantity is increasing, another is also increasing. This is called direct variation. Direct variation. In situation 2, if one quantity is increasing, another quantity is decreasing. You can see here this is decreasing. So this situation is called inverse variation. Inverse variation. So this is direct variation situation. This is inverse variation situation. So worksheet 1 and 2 we will solve on the basis of the worksheet 1. All questions are based on direct variation and worksheet 2 all questions are based on this. So I am starting direct variation problem. Direct variation problems you will see, that is worksheet number 1. You see question number 1. Question is 5 bags of rice weigh 150 kg. How many bags of rice will weigh 900 kg? So if the number of bags will increase, so weight will also increase. So you can see this is the direct variation. This example direct variation. Question number 2 of this worksheet. A motor boat covers 20 km in 4 hours. Question number 2 of your textbook. A motor boat covers 20 km in 4 hours. What distance will it cover in 7 hours? So for the more distance you need more time. For the more distance you need more time. So relation between distance and time is also direct variation. Here this was the relation between speed and time. So this is the inverse variation. Between speed and time, this is the inverse variation. And relation between the distance and time is a direct variation. So question number 2 also direct variation example. Question number 8, Rima types 600 words in 4 minutes. What will she take to type 3150 words? So you can see here number of words for typing. If you want to type more words, you need more timing. So this is also example of direct variation. So in such a way, all questions of worksheet 1 are direct variation. Now I am teaching you how to solve the question of direct variation. So question number 1, first of all we will write which unknown quantities, which question asked that we will write x. In question number 1 asked how many bags. So we will start with this sentence, let number of required, let number of required bags is equal to x, because number of bags asked, so which asked that we will take x. After that, as per question, we will write a oblique q, this is shortcut of as per question, and then we will draw one box, and in this box we will fill the given things. What two things we are asking here in question number 1? Number of bags and weight. So here we will write number of bags, two quantities which we are comparing, number of bags and weight. So weight in what? Gram, kg, or what? Ton. So this is given in kg. So this is necessary to write weight. So from the question we will fill these boxes. Number of bags, 5 bags of rice weigh 150 kg. So number of bags 5. What is the weight? What is the weight of 5 bags? That we just below we will write, that is given 150 kg. 5 bags 150 kg. Now asking how many bags. So number of bags we will write x, because we have assumed x. So number of bags x, for what weight? 900 kg. So in weight column we will write 900. Means asking for 900, what is the weight of 900 is. And in direct variation we will solve this question by cross multiplication. This will be multiply cross multiplication, and here we will write this is direct variation. This is direct variation, and by cross multiplication we will solve. So in cross multiplication, one side this and one side this. So this side what we will write? Where x is coming, so that it will be easy to find value of x. So 150 into x we will write here, 150 into x, and this side we will write 5 into 900. And for x we will solve 5 into 900 divided by 150, and this answer is already I have solved. This is answer is coming 30, and what are bags? So this answer will be 30 bags. Similarly, you see one more solution. Question number 8 I have solved. What asked in question number 8 asked Rima types 600 words in 4 minutes. So two things we have to compare. What will she take to type 3150 words? What will she take? Ask means timing ask. So we will take x. Let required time is equal to x minute, because this question is given in minute. One is in minute, 4 minutes. So we will write x minute, and we will write as per question. This we will fill in our box. This column we will draw, and what two things we have to compare? We will write this information here. Number of words and time in minutes. So this we will write number of words, and here time in minute. Time in minutes. So number of words 600. Number of words is given 600. So for 600 words, how much time is required? 4 minutes. So 4 we will write. And what will she take to type 3150? Number of words given. So number of words column we will write, which is given, that we will write in that column, that is given 3150. So this we will write here, And what are timing? So in time column we will write x. So first these two column will be filled from the question, and these two column which given that we will fill in that box, and which not given asked that we will write x. And again we will solve by the same procedure. This is direct variation, again we will write this is direct variation, this is necessary to write. After that by cross multiplication we will multiply these both. So what we will write first? We will write x term first, here equal sign, and one side this multiplication and one side that. So before equal x term we will write first this x into 600, x into 600, and this side 3150 multiplied by 4. And when we will solve for x, this 600 we will transpose 3150 into 4 upon 600, and after solution we will get 21. And 21 what? We have assumed minute, x minute. So this answer will be 21 minutes. So this is the procedure of solution direct variation. So solve all questions like same. First you will take x, then you will draw table. In table which information given that you will fill in the correct boxes, and which not given that you will assume x. There here you will put x, then you will write this is direct variation. After that by cross multiplication you will note down here, but take care which is x term that you will write before left hand side, and another pair that side, and you will solve for x, and with the proper unit you will write answer. Okay.